Now, first we have the Gaogaigar, and another sweet stuff comes in. Yes, this is the hammer guy. The Goldymarg. So, Gaogaigar and the Goldymarg. You can see what's going to happen. That is what the complete set should be. And I gotta say, this Goldymarg is shouldn't be a model. It is more of a toy. You can see this is in the robot mode, and then bottom this is the vehicle mode, and then the wrist and the hammer mode. And firstly, I would say I quite a bit hesitate when you make a model when you have so much movements. Some parts will tend to break, and well, as you say, there's a lot of risk inside. But we'll try and see. And you can see here, there's a special stand here because we know that there's no way he can hold the hammer in this position without his hands falling. And also, look at all the nails that is coming in from the side. They just really reproduce the whole scenario from the models. Let's take a look inside. Now let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Well, good news. Seems a lot or not of the good stickers, but you can see these are all the plastic parts for the stand holding the wrist and the hammer. That's the body part. Or inside the part. Okay, stickers. Now it seems these are really standard RG metallic stickers and some water stickers. So, well, still considered not a lot. Okay, the hands, the palm. It seems the pink part is the eyes, and voila, the hammer and the wheels. Other side of the hammer, and also the wheels. The blue part seems to be the middle part they have, and the menu. But seriously, looking at this in hammer, this Goldymarg look like a transformer and a Donkey Kong putting together. Yes. Or Optimus Prime in Donkey Kong mode. Okay. Not much special inside here. So it's quite straightforward. And this and saying how you can transform the whole thing together and put it next side onto the Gaogaigar, and some instruction for the stickers. That's it. Let's see what it will be like afterwards.